Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and today we are going to do a review of the brand new Wet n Wild goth-o-graphic collection. I am so excited. This is just totally my aesthetic because I love dark and I love light and I love holographic and I love just very, very cute, pretty things. So I am so excited to dig into this. It's going to be such amazing packaging. I'm so excited. Even though I do believe they kind of had a missed opportunity with the name. I think instead of, goth-o-graphic, they should have been like hologoth or something, but that's fine. I'm still really okay with everything. Let's open this up and just see how pretty it is. Oh my god, just look at everything. It is so beautiful. I am dying. These colors, the packaging, it's just so pretty. I am obsessed. Alright, so where are we going to start first? I think we're going to do liquid eyeshadows because liquid eyeshadows are like my all-time favorite thing. So we're going to swatch all the eye products and then I'm going to do an eye look and then I'll swatch the face products and the lip products when we do it as we go. So we're going to start off with this first color. It's really cute. The packaging has these lovely holographic skulls everywhere. I love it. And this one is called Pure Intention. And it's kind of like a champagne-y, white, goldy pink. So I'm going to swatch this for you guys. Can you see that? It's like a champagne-y, white, colorful, pinky gold color. Really like that. It looks so pretty. Now we're going to go into this next shade and it is called Mystic Dreamer, and I think this one's going to be my favorite because it's just a really pretty pink glittery color, and as you know, pink is my all-time favorite color. So let's get in there. That is what this one looks like. It's got a pink sparkle. Can you see that? It's not coming out so well on the camera. That's this beautiful pink. This next shade is a very purpley pinky color. I really like it. Again, packaging, gold skulls on top. And this one is named Goth Tears. Super, super cute. I like that name. So swatch that for y'all. Ooh, that's pretty. Can you see that? It's like got a purpley pink shift. I'm into that a lot. The next one is like a dark purpley black shade. I really like this. This one is called Nyctophilia, and I hope this looks really good. Go in. Oh, that's pretty. I love that. That is, ooh. That's gonna be hard which one I'm gonna want to put on my eyes later. The next I have 3 eyeliners here, and they're all really pretty. They have a pink, a purple, and a white. Packaging is very simple. It's got the cute one little skull on the top, which is really adorable. So let's go and swatch these. I'm really excited for this white because this will be really perfect for an inner corner highlight. This one is called Skull Prayer. And oh yeah, I know I'm gonna be obsessed with that one. Oh, that's gonna be worn a lot. Oh yeah. Then we have the pink called Pink Coffin. Oh, that's adorable. I actually have like a little pink coffin that I keep all my hair, like my what are those called? You always lose them, the barrettes. And then swatch that. Ooh, yeah. Pink Coffin. Definitely a fan of Pink Coffin. That is pretty. Oh gosh. And then the purple shade is called Black Butterfly. Yeah. And then swatch that. Alright, this one's a little sheer, so you would have to probably build this one up more. But it's still pretty. I'd still wear it. Get that to focus. So let's try to figure out what we're gonna do with an eye look real quick. I'm actually just gonna go in with a purple eyeshadow because I think I'm gonna go in and do a pinky purple look for this. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna go in with like a purpley pink eyeshadow, and I'm gonna run that through. And then I'm going to go deepen it a little bit with just a little bit of this dark purple just to add some extraness into the corners. And then I'm going to run a little bit of both those shades underneath my eye just so I have some cohesiveness. now let's go put this on my eyes. I'm gonna go take the purpley pinky blue shade called Goth Tears, and I'm going to put this all over my lid where I did not put any eyeshadow. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Yep. Oh, I like this. This kind of really reminds me of like a purple version of Sea Siren from the Stila Glitter and Glow, which is one of my all-time favorite liquid glitter eyeshadows. I love that one, and this really reminds me of that because it just has that blue shift in it, and that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And then I think what I am going to do is actually take a little bit of the darker purple Nyctophilia, and I'm gonna put that in the corner to do a little bit of a darker glitter. I'm just gonna apply that to the edges, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a brush real fast. I think that would be really pretty. Just add a little bit more glitter dimension. Because honestly, I'm trying to use as many products as I can because everything is so pretty. So to finish this off, I'm going to go in with the Mystic Dreamer shade. I'm going to apply that right in the inner corner of it all. I'm going to bring that right here. So we used about 3 of the shades now. And then we're gonna go in with the liners, and I think I'm going to take, ooh, this is hard, okay. I'm gonna take the purple one, Purple Butterfly, and I'm gonna do a wing on the outer corner and then fade it in with Pink Coffin. So I think that's what I'll do. So a little bit of that. I will say I kind of wish they did the felt tip like they have on their other eyeliners, because the brush is really not, I don't know, it's a little hard to work with in my opinion, but it's fine. I'm okay with that because I really like the color of it all and I think it still looks nice. And then I'm gonna go in with Pink Coffin and just finish the rest of that line. So I did like an ombre one, and then I'm just gonna take the, what's the white? We're gonna go back in with Skull Player, and then we're going to put that right in the inner corner of the R. Right there. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. And I'm actually gonna go back in with the Black Butterfly and apply that just a little bit underneath that. Just to disconnect it, just honey butter. And I'm just gonna blend the purple, like on the Black Butterfly. And then what I'm gonna do, since I applied it, I'm just actually blend out Black Butterfly as the purple underneath. I'm going to add some mascara and lashes, and I will be right back. Alright, mascara and lashes are on, and I am really liking how this is looking so far. So let's go on to the highlighter stage, because you know, your girl's gotta highlight her face. So the first shade I'm definitely gonna go in because I want to try, because I think it'll be so pretty on the inner corner, and that is White Raven. Ooh, well, look at that. It's got the little skull. I don't know if you can tell. Can we focus on that? There we go, you can see it like that way. There's a little skull embedded into it, which is really, 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 really cute. I really like that. I'm gonna swatch it real quick. Put that here and we'll swatch. Oh, that is pretty. Ooh, it's got like a purple shift to it. This is like perfect for pale girls. If you're pale like me, girl, this is it. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna apply this. I'm gonna put this one into my inner corner. Let me find the right brush for that. All right, I can't find the right brush. So I'm gonna go in and put this on with my inner corner where I put the white liner I can't think of right now, the Skull Prayer. And I'm gonna put that right here with it, adding a little bit more highlight. Ooh. I actually think I'm gonna use this as my face highlight, just because it's just really, really pretty. And then the next one we have is this purpley one, and it is named Purple Ashes. Ooh, ashes like the ones that Kylo Ren puts his helmet in. Never mind, sorry. Wrong video. But I really like this. This is cute. You can see the skull better in this one, and it's got like a little purpliness to it. And I'm gonna run this through my brow bone as my brow highlight. I think that will look really pretty as a brow highlight. So put that as the brow highlight. I really like that. You kind of can't. It's alright. I like it. You can see the purpley shifts in it, but it looks really nice with this. So I'm pretty good with that. Then I'm gonna go with the stick highlighter. This one has the skull on the plastic, and this one is named Hello Darkness. Hello Darkness, my old friend. That's pretty. I like that. I actually don't know how to use a stick highlighter, so I'm not gonna do this because I'm going out with this look tonight, but I will apply this to my face later to play around. I'm actually not good with stick highlighters. I realized I forgot to swatch the purpley one on my arm, so let me do that for you really fast. And the final highlighter is the one in the can, and it has this cute skull loose thing. I've never used a loose highlighter before, but like I'm really excited to swatch this because I've heard a lot of good things. So I'm just gonna peel off this paper. Oh god, I just sprayed all over my hand. Oh gosh, okay. Okay, me, calm down. And I'm swatching that here. Oh, hello, that is pretty. Ooh, I'm not gonna use it on the face for this look just because I don't think it'll go too well. So I'm gonna go in with White Ravens for the cheek, but hello, that was cute. I'm about that. So let me just put this on top of my cheekbone. Tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin. All right, let's go. All right, now we're gonna move on to the lips. We're gonna go lightest to darkest for this because reasons. We're gonna take the first one, which is called Wicked Pink. Oh, that is such a cute name. It's like this. So pretty. So let me swatch this. The next one is Pastel Grunge, which is like this periwinkle blue shade, which I'm really excited about. Oh, I like this. And I'm just gonna apply this. The next shade is called Gunmetal Heart, and it's a like gray-y, purpley silver color. So it's and the last shade is Death to Unicorns. So the lips are a little bit on the sheer side, and I think they probably should have actually marketed them more as a lip topper than a metallic lipstick. I think they would have worked a lot better because they do have a lot of shimmer to it and they have pretty colors. I think they just need a base. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a black lipstick and use it as a base, and then I'm going to use the shade Death to Unicorns on top of that because I think it'll look really, really pretty. Black and then Death to Unicorns right on top of that. See the difference there? I feel like this is the color they were going for, but it's just really sheer. So again, just pair a lipstick or lip liner underneath it and just pair it on top, and that'll be great. So my final thoughts on the collection is I really love the eyeliners. I really love the liquid eyeshadows. Highlighters are bomb. Lipsticks, they're okay. They're sheer, but you can work with them. Just build them up or put the base coat on top and you'll be perfectly fine. As for the idea, I really like this whole idea of the goth-o-graphic and, you know, taking away the whole unicorn from the holographic, which I understand. Don't get me wrong, I love unicorns. I literally have unicorns on my nails right now, so I really don't want Death to Unicorns as the lipstick says, because I'm still a very pretty unicorn, and as a Gemini, that is actually my mythological creature, so I am a unicorn. So I don't want them dead. I understand they're getting kind of overused, but like, They're cute. I don't care. I like unicorns and centaurs and mermaids and all that. So you can keep putting all the cute fantasy things and rainbow things in my makeup because I will keep on buying it. I don't care at all. So I'm really a big fan of the collection. I'm really happy how this look turned out because I love when dark meets light. So I really like the idea. So I'm not mad about it, you know. Just don't kill my unicorns, okay guys? I love unicorns. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because that would be so lovely of you. And also just let me know what you guys want to see down below, future videos. Let me know. I hope you guys stay lovely. Bye!